Now it's time for one of my favorite tricks. This is called the ski lift. There are a few steps to the ski lift. The first thing is you have to be able to get it to spin a good long time. With an unresponsive ball bearing yo-yo, that's usually not an issue. When I perform, I tend to do this trick with a fixed axle yo-yo. So you throw a nice long spinner, then you pick the string up with your non-yo-yo hand. And this part's a little tricky. I use 2 fingers and a thumb. I point them up toward the top, then toward my chest, so I can make a loop. I open the loop up, I come through, and I grab the string that's hanging down so I can make a knot with a loop on it. Then I reach through that loop, I grab the upper portion of the string, pull it all the way through, and now it's all about the right pose. Hold your arm up at an angle, you pull back with your yo-yo hand, the yo-yo will slide up the string, and then the very last step is you grab the string below the knot, pull the knot out, and then wind the yo-yo back up to your hand.